everyone. This video is a short walk through this MR, which aims to improve message when filtering on security dashboard list no vulnerabilities results. So the current state, we always display these kind of messages. So no vulnerabilities found for this group or security dashboard or project dashboard kind of messages, even though the dashboards are configured. So instead, we're proposing to display this message when there are filters selected and it produces no results. So here, what we see is a security dashboard that is not configured. Okay, so this is the initial message. It's not aligned centrally, but it's there is already an issue for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and then pick a test project here, add projects, and then go back to the dashboard. I already have some filters selected, so as you can see here, the error message is, sorry, your filter produced no results. Since this is handled, so I also changed the way the code works. Previously, it was handled individually by every dashboard, so the empty state message was provided by the dashboard to the vulnerability list component, which is this one. Instead, I moved the whole logic into the vulnerability list component. Here we have an empty state, which basically it says if there are any filters selected, then display the filter produce no results component. Otherwise, display the dashboard has no vulnerabilities. So it may occur that some dashboards have projects associated, but the vulnerabilities they don't have. The projects they don't have any vulnerability. Maybe I can find one here. Let me reset the filters. If I go here, remove this one, and then pick this project and return to the dashboard. Yeah, exactly. So this one, it says no vulnerabilities found. While it's rare to have vulnerabilities, no vulnerabilities, it can happen. In any event, we ask you double check your settings to make sure you've set up your dashboard correctly. And then there is this call to action, which leads the user to our documentation page. Now, previously, this one was handled individually by every security dashboard. So for the security dashboard, we had no vulnerabilities found for security dashboard, and then for the group one, we were saying no vulnerabilities found for group, and then for the project, we were saying no vulnerabilities found for project. So instead of managing 3 similar components in 3 different places, I moved the whole logic set here in the vulnerability list component. For that reason, I had to change the title a bit. So instead of saying no vulnerabilities found for project or group, I'm just saying no vulnerabilities found. And here I think we were saying while it's rare to have no vulnerabilities for group or instance level or project, I just stripped that part out, and we just say while it's rare to have no vulnerabilities. So yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so if I pick it, exactly, if I pick the filters, now it says this one. If no filters are selected, it displays this one. And if the dashboard is not configured yet, then it displays the default dashboard not configured error message. I guess that's it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.